What has the turnout been in Phase 6? Voting percentage till 5 p.m. has been about close to 60%, specifically 57.7%, but this is likely to get updated. I'm telling you about the data till about 5 p.m. And the highest voter turnout despite the violence reported from Bengal. The state of West Bengal has reported about 78%. So far, this has been the highest turnout in all, combined all the states, that Bengal has come forth as on the top with the highest percentage. Lowest, similar pattern, Uttar Pradesh. Just over 50% at about 52.02%. Again, as I reiterate that the data is going to be updated. This is at about 5 p.m. The voting concludes at about 6. What about Jammu and Kashmir, Rajouri, Anantnag, where Mia Altaf and Mehbooba Mufti were the big candidates? 51.35% voting turnout until about 5 p.m. So these are some of the highlights that have come in. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining me for the latest on that. Aishwarya, how should we see the turnout that has come in close to 60%? Give us more details.
Well, you know, Pooja, I can tell you one thing for sure, and that's the fact that we will see this number go up. But if we look at the previous election, that is 2019, the national capital had voted at about 68%. So there obviously, you know, is a big gap there. But if we speak about the highest voter turnout in the national capital, it is Northeast Delhi, which at the moment is standing at almost 57, which is 57.9, almost 58%. Overall, the national capital, the figures till 5 p.m. at the moment stand at 53.73%. You know, from what we understand, in some of the areas, the people have already gone inside. Their votes will be cast, and the final numbers, Pooja, let me tell you, will be updated in about 2 to 3 hours. So that's the figure that we will then be seeing. And the overall data we are expecting the ECI to give us in about 24 to 48 hours.
All right, so close to about 60%, but it's likely to change as well. 57.7% is the average turnout from Phase 6. 78% almost from Bengal. 52.02% from Uttar Pradesh. 51.35 until 5 p.m. for Jammu and Kashmir. But the focus has been national capital Delhi's 7 seats. If there's a political debutant like Bansuri Swaraj up against Aam Aadmi Party, Somnath Bharti, and also Ramkumar Anand of the BSP. But there's Manoj Tiwari and Kanhaiya Kumar. There have been some key candidates in these key battles for the political power center that Delhi is. Here's a special report on that.
High-octane battle for the national capital. All 7 Lok Sabha constituencies voted Saturday in the 6th and penultimate phase of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. President Murmu, Delhi CM Kejriwal, the Gandhis and Union Mantris S. Jaishankar, Hardeep Puri were among the first ones to cast their vote in Delhi.
Today I want everybody to come out. This is our national duty. Because मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि एक बार और जो है भारत की जनता जो है विकसित भारत को अपनी वोट देगी.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is out on interim bail in the liquor policy case, cast his vote along with his wife Sunita Kejriwal in Delhi.
मैंने तानाशाही के खिलाफ, महंगाई के खिलाफ, बेरोजगारी के खिलाफ वोट डाला है और मैं जनता से, सभी लोगों से, वोटर से अपील करना चाहता हूं, वोट जरूर डालें, अपने मत का अधिकार जरूर इस्तेमाल करें.
And amid tussle with Aam Aadmi Party, an alleged assault case, Aam Aadmi Party's Maliwal cast her vote asking women to take active participation in politics.
आज लोकतंत्र का बहुत ही ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण दिवस है. मैं सबसे अपील करती हूँ ज़रूर बाहर आकर अपनी वोट डालें और खासकर मैं महिलाओं से अपील करती हूँ कि वो अपना बहुकीमती वोट ज़रूर डालें.
Former Congress chief Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were among the early voters as polling began for the 7 Lok Sabha seats in Delhi.
महंगाई और बेरोजगारी सबसे बड़े मुद्दे हैं. सबसे बड़े मुद्दे हैं सबके लिए और सब चाहते हैं कि ये चुनाव उन्हीं अपने ही मुद्दों पर लड़ा जाए. सब चाहते हैं.
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's daughter Miraya, a first-time voter, cast the ballot along with her brother Raihan and urged youth to vote for a change.
फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स कहते हैं कि काफी डिसाइडिंग माने जाते हैं. एक्साइटमेंट था आपको? हाँ, मैं कॉलेज से बस इसी के लिए वापस आई हूँ।
क्या संदेश युवाओं को देना चाहते हैं आप वोट डालने के लिए, और गर्मी ज्यादा हो रही है, वुड यू अपील टू वोटर्स की बाहर आके वोट करें?
हाँ जी, कि सब बाहर आके वोट करें और घर पे मत रहिए प्लीज।
Delhi saw a clean sweep by the BJP in the general election in 2014 and 2019. While the Congress won all 7 seats in the 2009 Lok Sabha elections, it failed to open its account in the 2014 and 2019 elections. This time, the Aam Aadmi Party has joined hands with the Congress. Can Congress and Aam Aadmi Party stage a return this time? With Amit Bharadwaj, Mausami Singh, Sushant Mehra and Aishwarya Paliwal in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.